In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mix vocal Soundation. By the end, you'll have a clean, polished vocal that sits naturally in your mix without losing clarity. We'll set up a simple vocal chain, add space with a reverb send, and finish with smart leveling and automation. Start by opening your vocal channel. Double-click it to reveal the bottom panel, then click plus add effect. First in the chain, load a vocal tuner. Choose the key and scale that match your song so the tuner knows which notes to correct toward. Then adjust the correction amount to taste. Lower values keep things natural and preserve vibrato. Higher values pull notes tighter and can create a more obvious tuning effect. Listen to sustained notes and transitions between words as you dial it in, and aim for a setting that keeps the performance musical rather than robotic. Next, add a compressor to even out the performance. A solid starting point is a 3:1 ratio with a medium attack so transients still breathe. Lower the threshold until you see around 3 to 5 dB of gain reduction on louder phrases. That's usually enough to smooth out peaks without making the vocal sound squashed. If it starts to pump or feel dull, ease off the threshold or lengthen the attack slightly. Use makeup gain to match the level when you bypass the compressor so your judgment isn't fooled by loudness changes. Now let's add space using a send instead of putting reverb directly on the vocal. Create a new effects channel. Insert a reverb there and set its dry wet to 100% wet, since this channel will only carry ambience. Go back to the vocal track and use the send knob to feed a small amount into the reverb channel. Start low and bring it up until the vocal gains depth without getting washed out. Shorter, subtler amounts help verses stay intimate. You can push it a bit more for choruses. Before final polish, check gain staging. Aim for your vocal channel to peak between -6 and -3 dB to avoid digital clipping and keep headroom for mastering. Finally, press A on your keyboard to reveal the automation lane. Draw in gentle volume rides to lift words that still dip after compression or to tuck phrases that jump out. Small moves of 1 to 3 dB are often enough. Play the vocal in context with the full track and smooth any abrupt changes. That's it. Tuner for pitch, compression for control, reverb via a send for space, and automation for the final human touch.